Hello guys, I'm gonna show you guys the box opening for a GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. I ordered one piece from Amazon and it arrived, so I like to show you guys what's in the box. So if you guys are like to order one, you guys know what to expect in the box, right? So there you go. I'm opening the box with a hand. Don't bother about it. I don't like to use any tools or blade. I like to open them with a hand. I like it. There you go. And they really packed it well with a bubble bag and all that. So it came up really good with no damage and all that. So they know how to pack it, right? They're handling millions of products going out of the warehouse. So yep, that's what it is. There you go. A pretty coming out of the box. That's Hero 9 Black GoPro. Well, I wanted to, because I bought this one because I wanted to ride and then take the video while I'm riding on the motorbike. So yeah, there you go. Got it. That's what it is. And see what's in there and see what we have everything that they promised. Yeah, that's a 20 megapixel camera front, and those features 5K 30, 4K 60, the video types, and I guess that's what it is. And it has the app for iOS and Android for sure. You can download from the App Store and Google Play. Yes, yeah. That's a nice piece for your action. If you want to record your actions while riding or going for skiing and kayak, while doing a kayak thingy. There's a lot of things you can record, right? There's a lot of guys out there, people out there that want to watch what you're doing, because most of them are staying home while this pandemic time. So yeah, it came in a good pouch, nice pouch, which is maybe I'm gonna use it for how to put my goggles afterwards, right? So there you go. That's what's inside. So it came up with those the stickers and how to and all that, the guidebooks and all that thing. So there it shows how I have to put the battery and stuff, instructions and all that. These are stickers. I think it has to go on something, but I don't think I'm gonna stick them on. So this is a guidebook which you can go through afterward, see if you have any questions and all that. So there you go. See, let's check it out if we have everything what they promised on the box. There you go. So the first thing first, the camera. Yeah, for sure it's there. Yep. And the charging cable. Yes. Battery, of course, and the pieces that goes with the adhesive, it's the one to go on the object that you are sticking the GoPro on, and the clip for that. Also the screw thingy just to mount the GoPro to, and attach the pro camera and the clip together. So that's the screw thingy goes on together. So we got everything all, and that's what it is, guys. Thank you for watching.